Homemade bread, it's freaking delicious. But what the heck does it have to do with launching a freelance business? You'd be actually quite surprised. You see, many people are intimidated by the idea of making bread at home because there are so many variables that could determine if it even turns out. Which ingredients are best? What about kneading and folding the dough? The technique, the time, the temperature, the vessel in which you cook it? What if it doesn't rise? What if it doesn't even taste good and I put in all the time and effort? But if you take a step back and take a big picture view, bread is actually incredibly simple and requires only 4 simple ingredients to make: flour, water, salt, and yeast. Now, to tie this into freelancing, there are so many moving parts and variables, choices, options, decisions that most of us are just paralyzed with choice, so we don't even do anything at all. This is what overwhelms most freelancers who want to get started. Where do I even start? What do I do first? What do I offer? When is the best time to launch? How do I sell my services? What if my skills aren't good enough to charge for? I'm not confident in my ability. I'm introverted, therefore I feel like I can't talk to people and get clients. I'm afraid I'm missing something or that I'm forgetting an important step. How do I fit this around my day job? There are so many people who are way better than me. I just feel like I'm not good enough. So how do we deal with the overwhelm with all of the myriad of choices we have to launch our freelance business? Where do we even start? Dare I say, are there any fundamental ingredients, just like homemade bread, that I can use to get started as a freelancer? And the answer is yes, absolutely. And I have those ingredients for you here in this live workshop. Join me for a free live workshop where I'm going to show you the exact 5 steps that you need to take in order to launch your freelance web development business on the side. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your first lead, the types of products and services that you need to offer. Plus, I'm going to show you how to craft an irresistible offer that your clients simply cannot refuse. You'll learn the most effective marketing strategy for freelancers and so much more. Join me on this free live workshop about launching your freelance web development business on the side. And in the meantime, I'm going to go and enjoy myself some homemade bread. See you on the workshop.